Here we go. My name is Walangari Karntawarra, and I'm from Alice Springs. I'm a member of the Aranda and Luritja Nations. I'm a school teacher. I have a BA and a BEd, and been teaching for about 41 years. And but most of the time that I've lived in Sydney, teach Aboriginal culture, and I share that with everybody else. And and that breaks down barriers and gets rid of all the myths about Aboriginal people. And so we sort of clear that up by introducing people to our traditional art, our music, our dance, storytelling, and part of that is creating a sand painting. The sand painting itself represents the story of impermanence, the fact that when we're born, we are only on this planet for a very short time. We think it's a very long time, but in terms of the universe, it's very, very small, very short time, and while we're here, we need to do what we need to do to fulfill our lives and to make other people's lives better. It's not just sand paintings that we do dancing, storytelling, didgeridoo playing, art, and we do bush tucker and bush medicine as well. And it's very important that not only Aboriginal people that understand it, but we want everybody to understand it. Because once everybody understands it, everybody protects it. So it's all about protecting what we have and make sure that we tell people about our stories and our knowledge, and we share that with everybody. We never say goodbye. We always say see you later.